Hey, how's it going? I just want to quickly go over my personal project titled CloudVend, make a quick video. I'm going over the code and actually going through the website. So the website's built on Heroku. It's on the Heroku app. There's two options when you get to the landing page. You can either register a new account or log in. I'm just going to log in. So I'll do Andrew. His password is his password. And here's all the items from New York City. That's where Andrew lives. So here's all the items. You can do view all items. So you can do Seattle, Sacramento. So these are all the items from different cities around the world. I'm just going to go back to view items from New York City. You can message these people, message the people that made these items. You can view more. So this one doesn't have any comments, but if you view more on one that does have comments, this one is created by me, so I can delete it. And if we go back to dog leash, there aren't any comments. So the same idea for this items, you can delete it, you can edit it. I'm going to edit it to 2000. So instead of 2500, I'll make it 2000, make this brand new. And it's brand new, it's 2000. If you go to the profiles page, here's all the profile pages from New York City. Since these are not created by me, I cannot edit it or delete it, but I can edit this one. So it's the same idea as previously mentioned, so I'm not going to go through that. I will, however, go ahead and make a new account so I can register. I'm just going to do a random name. If I make this area at gmail.com. Password, I'll just do password. And city, maybe Boston. If I register, there's no items from Boston because no one's posted from Boston, but they'll obviously change depending on what city you do. And here's the profiles page. Since I did not make a profile, I can go ahead and make a new profile if I click on this, and then it'll go ahead and make it so I can make a new profile. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and actually showcase the code since I am limited on time. So here's the code for CloudVend. I'm just going to go ahead and show how to create a new item and how to update it. So if you go to user, excuse me, if you go to routes, then items.js, here's all the code. So I'm going to post an item with all these parameters. It's going to have the body.price. This is an HTML form. So it's going to take all these parameters, have it in a list, and then pass that list into items.create. And this items.create is in models items. So if I go to models items here, so here's all the parameters, and then we're going to make it as a parameter in mongoose.model. So that's how you do the items.create. So if I go ahead and go to views, items, and then if I want to make a new item, here's the form for that. It's going to be a post method, and it's going to have name, image. So this is where the rec.body.name comes into play, as well as the image, price, description. You submit it, it's a post. It will go to the items. So browse items. So post, that's where all this information comes into play, and we're going to make a new item with this items.create. We can also edit it. So we can go ahead and go back to views, items, and then edit. Same exact form pretty much, except it's a put method. So we're going to edit the information with the name, the image, the price, all that. We're going to go back to routes with our items. We're going to look for that that put. So this get actually goes to that page, and then we're going to find it by the ID, and then we're going to actually update it. So we're going to have a put method. This is what happens when you submit that form. It takes all this information, it finds the ID, and updates it with the parameters ID with this list, and then it's going to redirect to items. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show for the code. If you would like me to go over the code with you some more, that's totally fine. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.